Okay.
Nakarating na lang, no? So bad. Okay.
Happy birthday, Dean. To our bunso of the group na always bright and shining. I'm wishing that your bright will never burn you out.
Ano daw?
Pero anyway, I know na like, na you're always there for us. Kaya, I'm not always there physically, pero I want you to know that I'm always here for you. Like, I'm only one message away. I'm always here for you then. Thank you. And I wish nothing but the best for you. Sana makakuha mo lahat ng mga wishes mo sa buwan kasi you deserve everything.
Yeah, thank you very much, our next members.
Hey, happy birthday, Roy.
Yeah.
Every birthday, thank you. Thank you naman din for this year.